Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Sabrina Ana.
Salam, hello Kak Indi.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. So this meeting we will make a video about pronouns and the two short story. We will learn the first is telling the story that you want to tell first, and then making a story. The second one, we are random. We tells the story and tells the text of his friend. Here I will read the rules. The first to read text one, starting with me, Sabrina, and Amna. The second one, give text question to his friend. Anything to ask?
No.
No? Okay. Let's start with the first text. In Eid, Eid is the Arabic word of festival. Eid is a big Muslim festival. At Eid, people give presents to children and friends. Eid presents are usually money or things like toys, candy, and new clothes. At Eid, Muslims think about other people in the world. Uh, they give food and money to hungry people and sick people. People wear new clothes at Eid. In the morning, they get up, wash and put and wash and put on dry new clothes. They eat dates and cookies for breakfast. Then they go to pray and the mosque. Lots of people hug their friends. Later, they eat with their family. They also visit their grandparents and say happy Eid. Thank you. Next text, Sabrina, please.
Okay, so here I will tell you about my favorite idol. When I was 15 years old, I first liked the world of K-pop. At that time, my friends were busy watching Produce 101. In there, I saw someone named Ong Sung-woo. When I first saw, I immediately fell in love with him, and then I immediately followed all the news that contained the name of Ong Sung-woo there. Finally, I know that he is a member of 101, which turned out to be the main vocalist and main dancer in the group. Now he acts in several dramas, and he is a great actor. Sung has the stage name Seong-woo, and he was born on August 25, 1995. His zodiac is Virgo. He is Korean nationally, has a height of 179 centimeters and a weight of 63 kilograms. His blood type is A, and he has some unique facts. That is, first, he is a very good dancer, especially popping and freestyle. Second, he played drums. Third, he became famous for perspective. The reason why I idolize him somehow tennis he is gifted he was and very funny, outspoken nature. I really like everything about him, although he is also often called the hand of destroying everything. So maybe it's a little story about my favorite idol in the last 3 years. Thank you for listening.
Hey, I will tell you about my favorite idol singer. He is Edward Christopher Sheeran, and people call him Ed Sheeran. He is not only a singer, but he is also a pretty songwriter, guitarist, record producer, and actor. He was born in Halifax, West Yorkshire, and raised in Framingham, Suffolk. He was born on February 17, 1991. One of the awards he has won so far is the Grammy Award for this year's song. Okay, thank you for listening.
Okay, thank you, Amna and Sabina. Next, text two is the question block. The first from me. Please, Amna, the text in change to pronouns.
One friend who is kind and loving. Her is Rizky Indiani, and you can call her Indi. She is 20 years old. She was born in Rembang, November 2001. Her currently live at Jalan Gajah Mada number 1, Rembang, Central Java. Her is a guidance and counseling student at Semarang State University. Talking about hobbies, music is one of his hobbies. He is good at singing almost any kind of music he can sing. Indi is also a martial art athlete. Lots of people admire her. Now allow me to introduce his family. The Indi family consists of 4 people. My friend is the eldest of 2 siblings. His younger brother is still in elementary school and both of his parents are teachers. Okay, thank you. Please, Sabrina, the text is change a pronoun.
Okay, I will tell you about my friend. Her name is Amna Kufa Falastin, and people usually call her Amna. She is 19 years old. She was born in Semang, Regency, February 27, 2003. She lives with her parents and grandparents in Gunung Pati, Semarang. Talking about hobbies, she's watching movies when have free time. Okay, that's enough from me. And from me, please change the following sentence in pronoun.
Okay, Sabina. Okay, I will answer. In her, I will introduction about my friend. Her name is Sabina Kurota Ayun. She is usually called Sasa. She was born in Semarang on 20 September 2003. Nushar now she lives in Purwokerto at her grandmother's house with her father and her brother. Her hobby is watching movies or drama, and she also likes to hang out with friends on traveling. And the last one is her hope for the future in the English course, and that she can follow it will and course. She can practice in every day, live both in reading, speaking, and listening. And she said for Mom Laras and Mom AM, please be patient in teaching her and all her friends in English class. Thank you. Uh, See it through, Sabina?
Yes.
Okay, thank you guys for your time today. Hope level this lesson in useful for our use. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.